Hi everyone, and welcome back to our channel. The ocean covers more than 70% of our planet, yet after all this time, we've explored only a tiny fraction of it. Beneath the waves lies a world so vast and mysterious that even our most advanced submarines and satellites have barely scratched the surface. Just think about that for a second. We know more about the surface of the moon than we do about the bottom of our own seas. The deep sea is a place of extremes. Complete and utter darkness dominates. The pressures are absolutely crushing, and the temperatures can hover near freezing. It's an environment that seems totally inhospitable. Yet, life thrives there, often in forms so strange and unexpected that they challenge everything we thought we knew about biology and even. Many of these species remain hidden for decades, or even centuries, before humans finally stumble upon them. Some are discovered by pure accident, others through careful and painstaking exploration, and a few only reveal themselves when advanced technology finally allows us to reach the incredible depths they call home. Today, we're diving deep to uncover 5 hidden species found in the abyss, creatures that completely astonished scientists and revealed just how little we truly understand about the ocean. Get ready, because things are about to get weird. Coming in at number 5, we have the giant squid. For centuries, sailors told terrifying stories of massive creatures dragging entire ships under the waves. They called them sea monsters and krakens, but for the longest time, these tales were dismissed as nothing more than frightened exaggerations or myths born from the sea. Then, in the late 19th and early 20th centuries, something changed. Enormous carcasses started washing ashore in Japan, New Zealand, and along the coasts of Europe. Researchers quickly realized they were dealing with a real animal, something enormous and unlike anything seen alive. The legends were true. The giant squid is a true titan of the deep. It can grow over 40 feet long and possesses eyes the size of basketballs. The largest in the animal kingdom, perfectly adapted for seeing in the pitch-black depths. Its powerful tentacles are lined with sharp, toothed suckers capable of gripping and holding onto prey with immense force. For decades, no human had ever laid eyes on a living one in its natural habitat. It was a ghost, a legend whispered among mariners. It was on until the early 2000s that a team of Japanese researchers finally managed to capture the first ever footage of a living giant squid deep off the coast of Japan. Even then, scientists were astonished by how elusive it remained, living at depths of over 1,000 meters where not a single ray of sunlight can penetrate. The giant squid proves that some creatures are so perfectly adapted to extreme environments that they can remain hidden from all of humanity for centuries. Next up, at number 4 is the goblin shark. Unlike the giant squid, which inspired myths of sea monsters, the goblin shark is a creature straight out of a deep-sea nightmare. This bizarre shark has a protruding jaw that can shoot forward like something from a sci-fi movie to snatch its prey. Its skin is pale and translucent, revealing the blood vessels beneath, and it has a long, flattened snout that looks almost alien. It's a true living fossil, a relic from a bygone era. It inhabits crushing depths of up to 1,200 meters, often lurking near the continental slopes. The goblin shark is so rarely seen alive that most of what we know about it comes from accidental catches and deep-sea fishing nets. Its utterly unique appearance has earned it the nickname, the living fossil, because its lineage has remained relatively unchanged for more than 100 million years. It's been swimming in our oceans since the time of the dinosaurs. Scientists have only managed to capture a handful of high-quality images and videos of the goblin shark in its natural habitat. Its elusive nature is a stark reminder of how little we truly know about the strange and wonderful creatures living deep beneath the waves. At number 3, we have a creature with a truly ominous name, the vampire squid. Now, despite its spooky title, the vampire squid doesn't actually suck blood. It's not a predator in the way you might think. Instead, it feeds on what's known as marine snow, a constant shower of decaying organic matter, like dead plankton and fish scales that drifts down from the ocean surface. It's the ultimate deep-sea recycler. The vampire squid inhabits a truly unique and punishing environment known as oxygen minimum zones. These are regions of the deep ocean with extremely low oxygen levels, where few other complex animals can survive. This makes it one of the most specialized creatures in the entire sea. It has huge, glowing eyes, a dark, cloak-like webbing that connects its arms, and it's covered in bioluminescent organs called photophores. It can use these to create dazzling light shows to confuse predators or perhaps even communicate with others of its kind. The species was first discovered in the early 20th century during deep-sea expeditions, and scientists were immediately fascinated by its incredible adaptations. Its ability to thrive in such an extreme environment provides valuable insights into how life can find a way in some of the harshest habitats on Earth. Sliding into our number 2 spot is the yeti crab. In 2005, scientists exploring hydrothermal vents in the South Pacific stumbled upon something truly extraordinary. A crab completely covered in long, white, silky hairs that resembled fur. This crab was so strange, they nicknamed it the yeti crab, and the name stuck. Its official name is Kaiwa hirsuta, and it lives in one of the most extreme places imaginable. These crabs gather in large numbers near deep-sea vents that spew out mineral-rich water heated to blistering temperatures. The yeti crab has a very peculiar way of feeding. It doesn't rely on its eyes to hunt in the total darkness. Instead, its furry arms are covered in specialized bacteria that it cultivates and then eats. It's essentially a farmer, growing its own food right on its claws. This symbiotic relationship allows it to survive in complete darkness, far away from the sun-powered food chain we're familiar with. This species remained completely unknown to science until it was accidentally spotted during a deep-sea research expedition. Its discovery was a mind-blowing reminder that entire ecosystems can exist in complete isolation from the world we know, thriving in conditions that would be instantly deadly to most other forms of life. And finally, at number 1, we have the absolutely adorable Dumbo octopus. This charming creature is named for its large, ear-like fins that sit on top of its head, which it flaps to move through the water, resembling the ears of Disney's famous elephant. These incredible creatures are the deepest living of all known octopuses, found at extreme depths, often between 4,000 and even 7,000 meters below the ocean surface. They glide effortlessly through the dark, cold waters using these fins, which allow them to maneuver in ways that most other octopuses simply can't. Despite their distinctive appearance and unique way of moving, Dumbo octopuses are relatively small, usually measuring only about 8 inches long. The first specimens were captured accidentally in deep-sea trawling nets, and since then, very few have ever been observed alive in their natural habitat. Their gentle, ghostly movements, their otherworldly appearance, and their incredibly remote lifestyle make them one of the most mysterious and beloved animals of the deep ocean. The deep ocean truly remains one of the last great frontiers on Earth. These 5 hidden species, the giant squid, the goblin shark, the vampire squid, the yeti crab, and the Dumbo octopus, show us just how many secrets are still waiting to be uncovered beneath the waves. They remind us that even in our modern age of satellites, submarines, and incredible technology, the world is still full of genuine surprises. Exploring the deep isn't just about finding bizarre new species. It's about understanding the very limits of life, how evolution can forge such incredible and unbelievable adaptations, and how little we still truly know about the planet we call home. So next time you look out at the ocean, remember this. There are creatures living in the deep that humans may never see, moving silently through a world of darkness and pressure that we are only just beginning to understand. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this journey into the abyss, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more fascinating stories about the mysteries of our planet. We'll see you in the next video.